Today I'm going to show you how to automate with Power Automate in Microsoft Excel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is make sure that Excel is open, and we are going to either open files or attach a running instance, creating an Excel instance variable for all our subsequent operations. Then extract data ranges or entire tables into data table variables with the read from Excel worksheet, and then iterate through rows using for each loops to process information dynamically. Then we're going to update cells or ranges using the write to Excel worksheet action. Remember, you have to convert text to numbers when performing calculations to avoid any data type errors. Then we need to execute VBA macros with the run Excel macros action, and then implement dynamic file naming to automatically save versioned outputs with timestamps or any other variables. Always use close Excel action to release file locks and prevent any conflicts. This will also ensure smooth operation and file accessibility for other processes.